Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Jamaica earned more than $50 million from rum production in 2021. Chairman of the Spirits Pool Association of Jamaica, Clement Jimmy Lawrence, says the industry is positioned to contribute significantly to Jamaica's gross domestic product GDP.
The Jamaica rum industry produces between 19 and 21 million liters of absolute alcohol annually. This translates to approximately 40 to 50 million liters of rum. The industry generated an estimated US $55 million in revenues despite the COVID lag effect, which reduced demand from the on-trade, that is in hotels, restaurants, and events. I recall Prime Minister recently challenging the rum industry to grow its revenues similar to other spirits and other spirits categories such as cognac, and why not? With transformation, the Jamaican rum industry has the potential to eclipse other categories over time.
Now, local rum producer Hamden has spent $120 million to expand its warehousing capacity. The company has built a 16,000 square foot aging facility. It will house an additional 5,000 barrels. Hamden is building another warehouse to be completed by the end of this year. A bottling outlet will also be constructed on the grounds. Now, the expansion is expected to help Hamden increase production and availability of finished products to 27 markets across the globe. Some news on the economy. Businesses in Jamaica are expecting higher inflation over the next 12 months. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, says a survey of businesses in April found that the respondents were projecting inflation to be 12.8% during the period. That's above the previous expectation of 12.1%. The Central Bank's Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, says despite the current uncertainties, it is still expected that inflation will be moderate in the second half of the year. This is based on forecasts that international commodity prices will decline. Directors of Proven Investments have agreed to change the company's name. The entity is to be known as Proven Group. When the name change becomes effective, a new international business company will be formed in St. Lucia under the name Proven Investments Holdings. And back home to the currency market, it's costing an average $151.86 for the US dollar. $117.45 is the going rate for the Canadian, $182.44 for the pound, while it's costing an average $160.56 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 4,899 points today, while the junior market index fell by 11 points. Among today's advances were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Cygnus Real Estate Finance Jamaican dollar shares, Caribbean Cream, Access Financial Services, and 138 Student Living Jamaica variable preference shares, while on the losing side were KLE Group, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Radio Jamaica Limited, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news, they're all after the break.